What's up guys, Nick here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the best platforms on where you can trade altcoins. Altcoins are any other cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin. So for example, Litecoin's an altcoin, Ethereum's an altcoin. Even though they have very large market caps, they're still an altcoin to the king Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is the ruler of all cryptocurrencies. So once you make an account on Bittrex and Poloniex, these are the two best platforms when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Now, I recommend having an account on both because each platform supports different cryptocurrencies that the other one might not have. So you can make an account very easy on Poloniex and Bittrex. There's no verification. All you have to do is create an account with an email and password, and from there you have to deposit Bitcoin onto the website, and you can then turn your Bitcoin into large amounts of Bitcoin by trading these cryptocurrencies. Now, note that you can lose. For example, on Poloniex, there's coins down, let's use Bittrex actually. There's coins down, 30%, 20%, 15%, there's a ton of them, right? But at the same time, there's a ton that are up 30%, 92%, 5%. So you need to be in the right coin at the right time, right? But that's where you use these technical indicators that I showed you guys to help further your trades. Now, if you were to make an account on Bittrex, if you were to search up Dogecoin, which is a altcoin, I believe it's number 50 on the coin market cap, it's currently up 17% on the day. So let's click on that name. Say I want to trade my Bitcoin into Dogecoin, right? All I do is come over here. Now, this relates earlier to in the course where I taught you guys how to use market orders, limit orders, stop losses on GDAX. It's the same concept to buy and sell. You have your bids, your asks, you have your sell walls and stuff, market history. Very simple, right? It's very simple once you know what this all means. And from there, you can simply go on TradingView. You can search up Dogecoin. And here we go, Bittrex to Bitcoin. So we can click on Dogecoin to the dollar. We can click on this and we can see the Dogecoin chart. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the one-day chart. You can see that we saw this huge volume candlestick today. It says it's up, what did it say? It was up like 17% on Bittrex today. So you can simply chart it on here. You can use your technical indicators based on the long-term standpoint. It's technically not, overbought right now. So I do think there's more room here for Dogecoin to go up. Now you could zoom in a little bit and you can see that's definitely getting up there towards overbought, but you can use those indicators to help further your knowledge of your trades on these trading platforms. So I definitely recommend Bittrex and Poloniex as your two places to trade altcoins with your Bitcoin. So if you are looking to do that, me personally, I only trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on websites like GDAX, Coinbase. But if you do want to mess with the altcoin markets, Poloniex and Bittrex are your ways to go. Make sure you use TradingView to chart your altcoins and stuff like that. Add all these indicators to your charts, and it'll be a lot more simple for you to trade.